Welcome back to the R2 Hub. It is Saturday morning and we are getting started on one of the projects I discussed the other day in the vlog. We're going to be dipping the garage doors. So hold on, next couple minutes you'll see the whole project being completed. Hope you enjoy it. So here's what we got going on here. As you can see behind me, we have the new garage, which was built a few years ago. It's a 3-stall, a little over 1,100 square feet, real nice garage. But what we have here is my old garage. This was built in like 1966. Yeah, it's just kind of ugly. Still has a slate siding on it, but the worst part is these fiberglass garage doors. So let me show you here. So you can see, there's just not much to them. They're pretty thin, really nasty looking. You saw taking the cleaner to it, came off pretty easy. So thought about replacing them, but I thought, before that, let's do something fun with dip. These garage doors actually don't get opened hardly ever. I've got some other stuff in this garage, not automotive related, so we don't open these garage doors very often. So we're gonna go ahead and dip them. We're gonna try and get them to match this garage a little better. So we'll see how that turns out, and talk to you when it's all done. And there, my friends, that is how you take an old set of crappy doors that are turning yellow and make them into an old set of crappy doors that are sort of white using Plasti-Dip. So, not the best thing to do. Fiberglass is pretty much shot on it, but what are you going to do? It's better than it was, I think. You can see here, the old fiberglass is just, you know, not much I can do about that. They weren't worth, you know, trying to re-epoxy or resin or anything, so just went over it. It's just a stopgap, just wanted to get them white. But yeah, I got fuzzy garage doors now. No fault of the Plasti-Dip, definitely not the dip's fault, but you know, definitely matches the other garage a lot better now than the yellow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at ilar01. You can follow me on Twitter at ilar01. You can find me on Facebook at rex.benjamin.ii. Please like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Until next time. Thanks.